Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to tell you how things can turn on a dime. I had big plans to get these Barbies off in July so that people could set them up as pirates and then witches and then the December, Nightmare Before Christmas. And what this is, I'll tell you about these in just a second. What this is, Darren and I have done in the past craft packets. These are for beginners to learn to sew. I love to get beginners started. Sewing is not rocket science, it just takes time. This is not a hard craft, but it is a craft that will take time. When I made the skirt, I had the idea to make it reversible. So it doesn't take a whole lot more to do that, but you will have to pay attention how it's done. I started to do it by making the bias tape, showing you how to do that. It was a little much, so what I did was included bias tape in the packets. I mail out. In the past, I have done this. We'd like to do it again and see how it goes. What we do is often we mail the dolls, but we mail a craft packet. And in that craft packet is everything you need to make your own by following the directions on the video. And I have your pattern that I cut out for the skirt, and 2 pieces of fabric. I have the ghost from the Nightmare Before Christmas with the black and the bias tape and the items for the top that she's wearing. And like I said, this will be good for 2 of the challenges for the Dolls Gone Goth that J Dolls UK and I are doing as a collab. And I am asking that if you accept the offer of the doll and packet, that you make a video for your channel so that we can see your finished project. In the past, we spent a lot of money mailing out packets to find out later that people weren't even doing them. They were just accepting the doll, and that was that. Darren makes these 3D items for me, and I love it. If I'm working on a witch, I might come through, and this is our kitchen counter that you're seeing. It's an island. And he'll have things like this just sitting on the island for me, because I usually set up my projects that I'm working on this table. Anyway, last year or year before, he made these witches hats, and I absolutely love them. Well, I was working on the Barbie, and I had asked him to make these to send out to the people that are getting the packets. And I come through and he had made these also. Isn't that the cutest? So I hurried up. I knew I had some fabric. Here it is, with candy corn on it, that the witch could wear to match that hat, just for fun Halloween. I know if you're like me, you like to change your dolls up, and it's a very quick, simple, little gathered skirt. And I do have the directions in the video coming up, how to make those. But how cute is that? Darren is so much fun. So in the packet, you will also receive this. I have one doll, I already know where it's going. It's one of the crafters from before that was actually doing all the crafts and letting us know. But I have 2 more Barbies and 2 more packets to send out. Now, I had asked you in July who would like to do this, and I apologize. As I said in the beginning, things turn on a dime. And our lives did. I was in a little accident, and well, actually it was a big accident, and I was more hurt than I thought. And I could not sew, I could barely film a video. So this got shoved way back on a back burner, and here I am today asking you again if you would like to participate in the Witches Beginner Crafter videos. Now, I'm happy to send these to foreign countries, except the cost of mailing it far out, way more than the items I'm sending. It would just be better if you went and bought your own fabric and followed along. Anybody can do these. It's not a big deal. And when you see the video that I'll be showing with the dolls, you'll see how easy it is to follow along. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a comment if you are interested in doing this and in the lower 48 of the United States. Let me know that not only you're interested, but I know you're pushed for time, and these are going to take time, that you have that time that you're going to put into making these and making a video to show us. Thank you so much. Please leave a like and subscribe.